All right, back at the house in Miwa. Today's 8 October 2022. Starting to cool off a little bit around the neighborhood. Still a lot of weeds and these vines to cut and take care of. It's the chestnut season, Puri, and I'm expecting some friends to come over here in a minute. And I'm also trying to clear off a path to where the chestnut trees are at. Last week when I was running around, I saw a snake, and I guess it's venomous. I forgot the type, but anyways, hopefully I'll scare them away. And so yeah, I'm gonna fire up the weed eater here again and keep doing some work, and hopefully I get it cleared up. Day after tomorrow, we are meeting with the builder again to discuss further plans for the house. Everything's looking pretty promising so far, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go up to the walk up to where the chestnut trees are at real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it up to the chestnut trees. It's a little garden looking a little better. I just cleared out most of this here a minute ago. Kind of pulling vines, cutting branches, cutting the weeds as I go. It's still a little steep on certain places, so gotta be careful. But still been clearing out. Put some sun in here. Make it easy to walk around among the trees. All this was a bunch of weeds. Right over there is where I found that friendly snake on that tree wrapped around. He wasn't threatening or anything like that. He was just watching me, and I was watching him, and I walked away. All right, make it up this little hill here. Up to the chestnuts, and it's kind of steep. All right, watch out, make sure there's no surprises. It's nice and flat up here. I forgot the name of this chestnut that Miwa is known for. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least, I think. Right there. Still got to clear all that. Let me make it through here. Should be relatively easy to get in here with the weed eater real quick. Some chestnuts in the ground. I need to make it a habit to look up before I look down. Well, actually both at the same time. I think the snakes kind of like to hang out in the trees too, so look around, make sure there's nothing there. Okay. So yeah, there's some chestnuts here. Not sure if they're ready or not. I don't know. A lot of green ones up on there. I'm not sure if they're going to be ready or not. We'll see. You know, these look rotten. Well, let me go ahead and start up the weed eater real quick.